again, this is Rob and Mac here with Tribble Painting. We're on the north side of Ann Arbor today on a big scraper. This house we are changing the color on, and we'll be here all the way through Friday. Quite a bit going on. Got a little bit of the house sprayed today already, but plenty more to come. Final day of the job. We're just finishing here on this very tall peak. It was very tough to get at, but you know, the guys came through. We got about an hour left and just finishing on final touches. If you like what you see, please check us out at tribblepainting.com or like and subscribe us on this video, and don't forget about checking us out on Instagram.